how to troubleshoot a Magic Remote Control. There are 3 possible issues if your Magic Remote Control is not operating correctly. Insufficient battery on the remote control. Interfering object between the TV and the remote control, or that the remote control is not registered on the TV. Reason 1. First check if there is sufficient battery. When pressing the power button, you should notice the button lighting up. If you do not notice the LED light, please replace both batteries. Reason 2. Check if there is an internet router or internet phone near the TV. We recommend routers are placed more than 20 centimeters or 8 inches away from the TV. The final check. A pointer should appear on the TV screen when you move your remote control or press the wheel button. If not, let's register or reset your Magic Remote Control. To reset your Magic Remote Control, press and hold the home and back button for more than 5 seconds. To register your Magic Remote Control, press the OK button on your wheel. If you are unable to register your Magic Remote Control, try to reset and re-register your Magic Remote Control.